Hello everyone and welcome to Vilinko's channel. In today's video I will show you how to enable and use the SSH server on Windows 11. And now, let's get started. To begin, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu that appears. Once in Settings, navigate to the System tab, located on the left-hand side of the window. In the main pane on the right, scroll down until you find the option for Optional Features and select it. Here, you will need to click on View Features to see a list of available add-ons. In the search bar provided, type in SSH. You should then see the SSH server listed as an available feature. Please check the box next to SSH server and then click on the Add button. Windows will then begin installing the SSH server. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.